What if I told you that AI can diagnose diseases more accurately and faster than human doctors, and that it's already being used in hospitals around the world? This might sound like science fiction, but it's a reality that's transforming the healthcare industry. From chatbots that help patients with their queries to AI-powered systems that analyze medical images, the applications of AI in healthcare are vast and varied. In this episode, we'll explore the world of AI in healthcare, discussing its benefits, challenges, and future prospects. We'll also talk to experts in the field who will share their insights and experiences of working with AI in healthcare.
Let's dive deeper into the world of AI in healthcare. One of the most significant applications of AI in healthcare is in the analysis of medical images. AI-powered systems can analyze images such as X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs, helping doctors to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. For example, a study published in the journal Nature Medicine found that an AI-powered system was able to detect breast cancer from mammography images with a high degree of accuracy, outperforming human radiologists. Another application of AI in healthcare is in the development of personalized medicine. AI-powered systems can analyze a patient's genetic profile, medical history, and lifestyle, helping doctors to develop tailored treatment plans. We'll also explore the role of AI in patient care, including the use of chatbots and virtual assistants to help patients with their queries and concerns.
However, the use of AI in healthcare is not without its challenges and controversies. One of the main concerns is the potential for AI systems to make mistakes, which could have serious consequences for patients. There's also the issue of data privacy, as AI systems often require access to large amounts of patient data. Furthermore, there's the risk of job displacement, as AI systems may automate certain tasks that are currently performed by human healthcare professionals. We'll discuss these challenges and controversies in more detail and explore the steps that are being taken to address them. We'll also talk to experts who will share their perspectives on the ethics of AI in healthcare and the need for transparency and accountability in the development and deployment of AI systems.
So, what does the future hold for AI in healthcare? As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the healthcare sector. For example, AI-powered systems may be used to develop new treatments and therapies, or to improve the efficiency of clinical trials. We may also see the emergence of new business models, such as AI-powered healthcare platforms that provide personalized medicine and tailored treatment plans. Furthermore, AI may be used to address some of the biggest challenges facing the healthcare sector, such as the shortage of healthcare professionals and the rising cost of healthcare. We'll explore these future prospects in more detail and discuss the potential implications for patients, healthcare professionals, and the healthcare industry as a whole.
In conclusion, the use of AI in healthcare has the potential to revolutionize the way we deliver patient care and streamline medical operations. From diagnosis and treatment to patient engagement and empowerment, AI can help us to improve outcomes, reduce costs, and enhance the overall quality of care. However, it's also important to acknowledge the challenges and controversies surrounding the use of AI in healthcare and to take steps to address them. If you've enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI, healthcare, and technology. By subscribing, you'll get access to exclusive content, including interviews with experts, tutorials, and news updates. So what are you waiting for? Like and subscribe now to join our community of innovators and thought leaders, and to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI and healthcare.